See, correct time sunshine came.
Yes. We're going cruise today. That's the one. Inuga khat na ming jo. Dal ga pao ya. Ige ba chingi thai thai.
Titanic.
Yan chingi boat. Inon ga ganda. Wow. Chini tharak kataan. Woohoo. Straight up the hana.
Careful.
Nice feeling. Really nice. Breathing. Can feel the smell.
Be careful, huh?
No problem. Let's leave boat down.
Boat is moving like this. Life jacket.
Mai ba selung chango dia lifeboat tunga. Ya dangari ba inu. Yan inu ba khatin ping putakin na an chupat kin di bachi ni chkokan maira chkokan an she. Thai thai madram ba chkokan an she. Mommy is really enjoying her time in her old age. This is a life, you know, life without stress, depressed, anxiety in the old age. People always blame the weather here in Ireland because weather people are stressed and depressed. That's a lame excuses for the people living here. It's up to you to enjoy the life, whether rains or sunny, sunshine, cold or hot. It's your mind. This is the life I would like to live when I become old. Life is short, so seize every moment you have. Sukna menga hani kumanya enjoying not no problem. I wish.
Boat is moving like this.
Mahal ba? It's really cold, freezing, but also nice feeling. The smell is very nice. It's an ocean smell, the sea smells. It's really so nice. We started our journey by 9:30 and it's going to take us 1 hour. Thank God today is nice weather. Especially in Ireland, the weather is like 5 different weathers a day. 5 minutes sunshine, after 5 minutes rain, and windy. After 2 minutes is sunshine. After 2 minutes again it's rain. Unpredictable. We like fun, adventure, going out, being active in the old age. It's not easy for most people. But you can make it if you care about the lifestyle and the diet. It's good for overall health.